Hi traders, it's Anthony here. I just posted this trade setup into our Discord channel. Just quickly show you this, and then I'll come back and I'll explain my plan of attack. That's the setup here. I went into the premium traders room. The video is going to be a little bit delayed and it will be made public. I guess the premium members gain access to these early. So let's just go back over here and I'll explain my strategy with this. First up, as far as TA goes, having a look at this from a price action perspective, we can see we have a head and shoulders setup here. Our trend indicator is giving us a bearish momentum with this arrow here, and my game plan, with a trend continuation setup is where we get this break and retest here, break of this level where my mouse is. We've had a break and retest, and then I'm always looking then for the pullback for entry. Now we could pull a fib through here and we'll find that this pullback has moved right into our optimal entry zone for a trend continuation trade. Actually, I'll grab that and show you what I mean. So if we pull the fib from, say, this high down, I have this marked out here. See the 50? That's trend optimal entry 1, and then the 61.8 is the trend optimal entry 2. It's this zone through here that I'm interested in, where we get a pullback, and we've actually had a break here of the 50. Okay, my entry's a little bit late, but yeah, I'm okay with that. So this is ticking a few boxes for a fairly high probability setup. Of course, there's always a chance that it goes against us. I've set up a stop loss here. It might be a little bit tight, but I've just gone above this value range, as you can see with these nodes extend on the volume profile. So I've just set up the stop loss just slightly above that, and TP1 is going to be, I think, around, have a look at this level, see these volume nodes here? Okay, this is a key level of support, so what I'll do is I'll take profit early. I'll just set that up here, slightly above these nodes here, or these volume bars, as you can see, running horizontally. Okay, take money off the table here, and then what I'll be looking to do then is pull the stop loss down pretty close to break even. I've got two open positions. Okay, so I'm going to let the second position just run, and there's no specific target as such. Alright, but what I will do is just see how much we can get out of this. And that's where the money's made with this setup. Let's say we did the same thing over here. Let's say we went off this signal and we traded this one. This is the kind of distance that, like from this point here up, this is where we make some serious money. Alright, now given that this is a potential trend reversal, we don't know how far this is going to go, but I'm willing to leave one of these running, and if it doesn't get taken out, just see if we gain a bit of ground with it. Alright, so that's the plan of attack with this. It's an intraday and possibly a swing trade depending on how far we get with it. Okay guys, that's my take on the CAD yen today. As always, trade safe. Have a look at the links below the video in the description. You'll be able to find out more about the volume profile and VWAP and the other indicators that we have. With that, have a great day and see you in the next video.